Good morning, YouTube, or good afternoon. If you want to replace old spouts or replace these safety spouts that come in these things, they're frustrating. What I did is I bought a spout kit from Amazon, gas can spout kit, and it comes with the vents and the spouts and caps. And if you don't have a vent like this one, it comes with the drill bit. You just drill your hole, get the vent cap, put it in there, boom, and then you got your spout. And if this one here, when I took this off, the hole was too large for this to fit, so I just drilled out the center of it, popped it in place, and it worked fine. So if you want to get rid of your safety spouts that are frustrating, buy this little kit off of Amazon, and your old gas tanks or gas cans are as good as new. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.